Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world, whatever your time may be. So let's continue to look at the financial accounting. We were still looking at the content, actually the summary. At the time we said you love to, when you look at financial accounting, it can summarily be subdivided into main topics. We look at the context and the purpose of the financial accounting. Then we look at the qualitative characteristics of the financial accounting. Then the use of the double entry system and accounting system. Then you look at recording transactions and event. If you have recorded transaction and event, you can now pull out, that is, prepared trial balance. Preparation trial balance will lead you now to preparation of financial statement, basic financial statement. Then if you can prepare basic financial statement, the next topic is now preparation simple consolidated financial statement. Then the last one is interpretation of financial statement. So that is that. We look at the purpose and the context. We look at the qualitative characteristics of the financial information. That's number 2. Number 3 is the double entry system and accounting system. Then number 4 is recording of the transaction and event. Number 5, preparation of trial balance. Number 6 is preparation of basic financial statement. Number 7, preparation simple consolidated financial statement. And number 8 is interpretation of financial statement. So now when we look at if we are going to handle the context and the purpose of financial reporting, that is number 1, the first topic. These topics here, what are we exactly going to look at it? So we're going to look at the scope and the purpose of financial statement for external users. So the scope, that is the limit. To what extent are we going to look at accounting? The scope and the purpose of financial statement. What are the uses, the importance of financial statement? We're going to look at who are the major users of the financial statement and the stakeholders. We are going to look at the main element of financial reports, and we are going to look at regulatory framework, legislation, and reason and limitation relevance of accounting standard. All those topics, subtopic falls under the context and the purpose of financial statement. Then the second topic, that is the qualitative characteristic of financial statement. And a qualitative characteristic of financial statement, the first topic that falls under there is a qualitative characteristic of financial statement. We are going to look at the financial statement. What must it have? What kind of qualities? What kind of traits? What kind of elements which are important that would qualify it to be called financial statement? That is topic number 2. Topic number 3 is the use of the double entry system and accounting system. So when we look at the double entry system and accounting system, we are going to look at the double entry bookkeeping and principle, including the maintenance of accounting records and the sources of accounting information. That's one of very key topic, which is lovely. We shall look at the ledger accounts, the books of prime entry, and the journals. Then the fourth topic is recording transactions and events. Under recording and transaction and events, we are going to look at the sales and purchases. We are going to look at recording of cash. We are going to look at recording of inventory. We are going to look at recording of tangible and non-current assets. We are going to look at how we can treat depreciations, all the types of depreciation. We are going to look at intangible non-current assets and amortizations. And we are going to look at accruals and prepayment. We are going to look at receivable and payable. We are going to look at provisions and contingencies. And we are going to look at the capital structures and financial costs. So all those falls under recording of transactions and events. So it has 10 subtopics under it. 10 subtopics. So it is here, it is a little bit wider. So the next topic is preparations of the trial balance. Under preparation trial balance, we are going to look at the trial balance itself. We are going to look at correction of errors. We are going to look at controls, accounts, and reconciliation. Balance sheet falls under here. I mean to say control account and reconciliation falls under here. Then suspend account. All these are under preparation of trial balance. And once we prepare trial balance, we can now start preparing reports. Simple, basic financial statement. That's the next topic. Under basic financial statement, we're gonna look at the statement of financial position. That is the BS. Some people call it balance sheet. The statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income. Number 3, we are going to look at disclosure. We are going to look at events after reporting, and we are going to look at the statement, the cash flow, and we're going to look at incomplete record. So that is the topics. Those are subtopics that falls under preparation of basic financial positions. Then we are going to look at now the consolidated preparation of simple consolidated financial statement. That is under that we are going to look at subsidiaries, and we are going to look at associates. Then the last one is interpretation of financial statement. That is the last topic that we are going to look at. And here we shall look at the importance of the purpose of analysis of financial statement. We're going to look at the ratios analysis. We're going to look at analysis of financial statement. And that's all. Those are all topics that falls under financial accounting. So we are going to tackle each topics one by one. Each topic one by one, and it's very important that you need to follow for you who want to learn the basics of financial accounting. And even for you who want to refresh your mind, yes, you need to work with us. So the first video might come anytime. That is the scope and the purpose of financial statement and external users, for external users. So thank you. I wish you all the best. Please enjoy your time. Remember to be with us. Remember to subscribe. Thanks.